Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the exact Crompton Backup Lamp 9W model and the power source. This matters because wiring differs between AC mains and DC backup units. Once confirmed, isolate the supply and remove existing lamp carefully. Don't rush. Make sure the fixture and contacts are dry and clean, and align the lamp base with the holder. Now insert the 9W lamp firmly until it seats. You'll feel a small click or resistance. This tells you the connection is secure and ready for testing. Next, focus on wiring and backup module configuration. This is where most errors happen. Connect live, neutral, and earth to the lamp using insulated connectors. Tighten to specified torque, but avoid over-squeezing. If your Crompton unit includes a battery backup, connect the battery leads following polarity markings and tuck the module into the enclosure. Once done, verify continuity and proper isolation. Use a multimeter to confirm voltages. Make sure cables are routed neatly and secured so vibrations won't loosen connections. Finally, restore power and observe behavior in both main and backup modes. This confirms correct installation and battery function. Measure backup runtime against the rated spec. If it's short, charge cycles or a weak battery may be the cause. Once satisfied, tighten covers and label the fixture with install date. If you see flicker or no light, immediately isolate power, recheck terminals and polarity, then swap the lamp or driver to isolate the fault. These steps narrow down whether the issue is wiring, lamp, or battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.